Welcome! If you want to get Galaxy wallpaper on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type here Shadow Galaxy. Let's install. Click open. Tap open one more time and click to set wallpaper. After that we can close this application and go back for our main screen, and as you can see right now this wallpaper is applied and that's how it presents on our home screen. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.